Hi, welcome to a new unboxing video for Boydo's Tech Talk. Today I've actually got two things to unbox, but they're related to each other, so I thought I would bundle them up in the same video rather than doing two separate ones. So what I have for you today is the Panasonic HC-X900M Full HD camcorder, as well as the VW-CLT2 3D lens that also goes with the X900M camcorder. I just got this on Friday, but I've not had a chance to take it out of its box. It's Sunday at the moment, so I've been pretty keen to get to it, and this is the first opportunity I've had. So without further ado, let's have a look. So this is just the box that it came in when I received it through the post, but you'll see that I've got the camcorder here and the 3D lens. So that box is empty, so I'll just pop that off to the side. So let's have a look at the camcorder first. That's probably what a lot of people are going to be interested in. Just go around the box. So on the front, high definition video camera, 3D Full HD, 3D recording with optional 3D conversion lens, which is that CLT2 lens that I've got here. SD card not included, but you don't require an SD card because it does have built-in memory. So it's a twin memory camera, so it's got 32 gigabytes of built-in flash memory. This also uses Panasonic's 3MOS system, so it splits light up into three colors. I know one of them is green. I forget what the other two are, but it's supposed to provide a more accurate capture of color as you're recording. And there's some other things here. 23 times intelligent zoom, Leica Dichroma lens, and it's got power optical image stabilization as well. So you can zoom right in on something whilst you're holding onto the camera instead of being on a tripod, and the stability on this camera is just phenomenal. It's also got intelligent auto mode as well. Another key feature here is the LCD lens itself. It is a 3D screen, so you can view 3D content that you capture on this camcorder right on the device without having to hook up a 3D television. And 2D to 3D conversion. Just look at the side there, nothing much, serial numbers, etc. On the back, nothing too interesting, just high-speed USB, USB 2.0, HD writer 4.1, and you'll need Windows XP at least to get up and running, or macOS 10.7.2 with iVideo 2011 not supplied. Look on the top. Again, just nothing much there. This one's in black. And on the bottom, not very exciting. So let's crack this open. So that's HD writer, AE 4.1, operating instructions, nothing too fancy there, basic operating instructions. So if you want to work out how to use the device, oops, this is probably well worth a read. Just move that out of view there. So safety, blah blah blah, playback. Well, so I'll have a read of that later on. Limited worldwide warranty. So this warranty is valid when the product is purchased in the following countries. So there's Australia over there, but good to know that there is some form of warranty if you go overseas or you bought it overseas, and just Panasonic warranty there. So I'll just put that over to the side. Get back to the unboxing. Okay, so we have a cable here. So what does that look like? Okay, so that end will plug into the camera, and then it splits out into two. So I'm guessing this is going to be some kind of hybrid composite component cable, depending what you hook it up to. So yeah, so quite a handy cable to have if you're going to hook it up to a television. But yeah, there we go. What else do we have? It's a USB cable there. So this is a power pack. So that's that end goes into the camera. Oops, I'm assuming this one, and that's where your power cable goes. So if I look in here, okay, maybe it's under the camcorder, but I'll get back to that. So that's the power adapter. What else? Guessing this is some sort of a mount that goes on the camera. So that looks like a shoe for accessories or whatnot. I'll find out where that goes then. What's this? So this is the battery pack. Okay. That's the power cord, 2-prong Australian power cord, and that's the 2 sockets on the end that go into the adapter, so that's good. Okay, and let's pull this out. So that's, I'm guessing this is some sort of a lens adapter or something, so I'll work out how that fits into the equation. And a video camera remote. So I'll work out how that fits in as well. I'm guessing maybe when you hook this up to a television, you can use this to control the camera. Anyway, we'll find out. Otherwise, I'm guessing you might also be able to control it whilst it's recording. Anyway, we'll see how that pans out. So there's nothing else left in the box, so I'll just pop that off to the side. Okay, so camcorder. Nothing in there. So here we go. Give you a quick look around the device. I won't go into too much detail. I'll save that for the preview video. Yeah, that's a good screen there. I forget how big that is. I want to say 8.8 centimeters, yes. So that's 3.5 inches. Of course, you have your traditional viewfinder there if you fancy using it. That's where the battery goes. So if I just grab that, fits in like so. Have a look here. So you've got HDMI, AV multi, USB. Got your button here for 1080 50p. Power latch. This kind of looks like a speaker here. So if you're playing it back, so you can have a listen. Camera function button. So not terribly sure what that does yet. Toggle between intelligent auto and manual mode. Optical image stabilization. That's your zoom function. I think that's going to be a still photo function. 5.1 channel audio capture. Left, right, front, rear, center, and yeah, there you go. We'll have a quick look on the bottom. Nothing fantastic there, just a hole there for tripod mount. On the other side, strap for your hand, shoe adapter release. So alright, so this is where that little doohickey goes. So like so. So I'm guessing that's if you want to mount a flash or a light source, that's where it goes, in there. And if you want to release it, just hold that button, or that latch rather, and there you go. What else? On the back, guessing that's the record button, which is good because it's right under your thumb. Okay, the front. So you got your focus there if you need. I'm guessing that's a focus. And not sure how that opens up, but I'll work that out later. Also, there's a little flap here. So you'll see it has mic and headphones. So if you want to connect up an external mic, so the microphone goes in the top hole. Just focus. Yep. And headphones for the bottom. So you do have options there. Yeah, that should be about it. Now I'm just curious to see how this, does it go on like that, or yes, probably like that. So that ring goes like so. So this extra friend that we found, I believe that's there if you want to mount another lens. So let's get on to looking at the 3D lens. So that was the X900M. Okay, and this is the 3D lens, the VW-CLT2. Only comes in one color, grey. So let's just quick look around the box. Nothing much on the front. Serial numbers on the side. On the top, bottom, nothing much. So just get some scissors. Right. So, alright, more operating instructions. Probably more than the camcorder, to be honest here. And I've made an absolute meal trying to get these out, so please excuse me. So operating instructions for the lens. Yeah, so I'll read that later. Okay, that looks like another language, so I won't be interested in that. And what else? Guarantee, so I'm guessing that's the warranty. Another slip from Panasonic regarding warranty. Looks like some tips there on how to record 3D video. So I've not recorded 3D video before, so this will be a learning experience for me, so maybe some useful tips there. Again, limited worldwide warranty, so this is sold in multiple parts of the world, so won't dwell on that. And I'm guessing that was for Japan or probably China, maybe, because I'm not seeing much in the way of hiragana there. It's completely other script. So yeah, so if the Chinese want to use it, that's stickers they can put on top of the various functions. Alright, so let's see what we've got here. This looks like a pouch of some sort. Yes, that's where you can pop your lens when it's not in use. Very good. What else? I believe that's a lens cap. Or is it? I don't know. Oh, we'll see. I'm guessing that's going to be a lens cap. And alright, so nothing left in there, just a box and a box. Alright, so here it is. The VW-CLT2. So we have two sides to it here, so I'll just try and pull that off there. So there we go. So that's the front of it. Twin lens, obviously, so you need to simulate left and right eye. That's just a look inside the cap there. So this is the cap for the front. Now on the back, so that's what we've got there. So that's so that just comes off there. Now just bear with me and I'll try and work out how I put it together. Okay, so this is how you hook up the 3D lens with the X900M. So once you've removed the various covers and whatnot, you don't actually require any of the adapters to plug it in. So you just need to marry up the up, where it says up the top. You're not going to see it, but it says up there, and you line it up with the top of the camcorder, and it should just slot in like so. And then on top there you'll have this little button here on top of the locking mechanism, and it corresponds with something on the bottom. So all we do is we hold down that button and then we twist it, and that locks it in. So there we have the X900M with the 3D lens on it. So there we go, and it's not too heavy. It is now front heavy, just holding it like so, but it's not so much that you're going to have difficulties holding on to it. You also do not, at least it doesn't appear that way, you don't need this O-ring adapter. I'm guessing that's if you were going to use a larger lens with the camera, but that didn't appear to be required here. So there you have it. That's the unboxing video for both the HC-X900M camcorder and the VW-CLT2 3D lens. If you've got any questions for the preview video, just make sure you leave a comment below. If you found this video handy, make sure you give it a thumbs up. But as always, thanks for watching.